Today we are going to be talking about the nutrition basics. Eating healthy can be easier than you think. Just remember the food groups. When you plan or prepare meals and snacks, try to include the choices from the food groups to meet your calorie and nutrient needs. Fruits. Focus on whole fruits. Fruits are a tasty way to add some nutrition to your snacks and meals. Fruits are bright, beautiful, and they come in different shapes. Here are some easy tips to help you bring them into your home. Keep a bowl of whole fruit on your table counter or in the refrigerator. You can keep the refrigerated cut fruits to save it for later. Always buy fresh fruits in season because they are less expensive and also at the peak of their nutrition. Buy fruits either in the form of whole, dried, frozen, so at least you can have your fruit intake in any form. But mostly try to go for the fresh fruits which are especially available in the season. Also select the packaged fruits without added sugars or canned fruits that are canned in fruit juice rather than syrup. Vegetables. Vary your veggies. Not all vegetables are the same. Seriously. There are basically four different categories: dark green leafy vegetables, red orange vegetables, legumes, and starchy. So, here are some tips again how you can bring the perfect piece of yumminess to your kitchen. Buy fresh vegetables which are in season. Again, they cost less and they are likely to be at their peak of nutrition. Look into farmers markets. Vegetables can be cheaper there, and especially with snap discounts. You can also stock up on frozen vegetables for quick and easy cooking without chopping. Buy vegetables that are easy to prepare. Pick up pre-washed bags of salad greens. You can also add baby corns, cherry tomatoes for a salad in minutes. Use a microwave to quickly cook your potatoes and sweet potatoes. Try crunchy vegetables raw or lightly steamed. Grains. Make half your grains whole grains. They are so many of our favorite foods and can be good for us, especially if they are whole grains. Grains which are whole include wheat flour, oatmeal, brown rice, and some examples of refined grains include white flour, white rice, and white bread. Try to make at least half of the grains you eat coming from whole grains. They contain important nutrients, especially B vitamins. They also help to reduce the cholesterol levels, lower the risk of heart diseases, obesity, and type 2. Fiber from the whole grain is also very important for good bowel function. Choose whole grains to help you feel full while eating fewer calories. Get in the habit of reading the nutrition fact label on the products. Make sure you're getting whole grains. Look for the first ingredient to say whole grains or whole wheat. Try eating whole grain snacks. These include whole grain cereal, whole grain crackers, and popcorn if made without added salt or butter. Protein. Vary your protein routine. It's very simple. Foods with protein can come from animal, seafood, meat, poultry and eggs, and plants, nuts, beans and peas, seeds and soya products. Proteins help you to grow strong, make you feel full for a longer time. Here are some things to think about when you buy protein rich food. Always prefer lean cuts over the fatty portions because the leaner the better. These cuts generally include the boneless and the skinless chicken breast and turkey pieces are the leanest poultry choices. Choose seafoods at least twice a week as your main protein food. Look for seafood rich in omega 3 fatty acids such as salmon, trout, and herring. Choose beans, peas, and soya products as a main dish or as a side dish. Dairy. Dairy every day is delicious and can be good for you, especially when it's low or fat free. Getting more dairy in your diet is easy as drinking milk, eating yogurt and cheese, or going for non animal foods and drinks like soy milk. Here are some healthy and delicious ways to put more dairy in your life. Include milk or soy milk as a drink at meals. You can also choose fat free or low fat milk. If you usually drink whole milk, switch gradually to fat free milk or low saturated fats and calories. To reduce fat, prefer to go for low fat milk and also low fat yogurt, and finally fat free. You can also add the fat-free or low-fat milk instead of water to the oatmeal and hot cereals. Use fat-free or low-fat milk when making condensed cream soup such as cream of tomato. Eat fat-free or low-fat yogurt as a snack. Make a dip from yogurt for fruits and vegetables. Make fruit yogurt smoothies in the blender. Top cut up fruits with flavored yogurt for a quick dessert. You can also top soups and stews or vegetables with shredded reduced fat or low-fat cheese. Top a baked potato with fat-free or low-fat yogurt. So this is the various food groups in this video that I have talked about. So try to make sure that all these food groups do appear on your plate, and keep eating healthy and stay healthy. So if you like this video, do hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.